Hello, my name is Amelia. Welcome to the demonstration for the Beta 0.92 edition of the Elements application, a program management app developed by clevermobileapps.com using Microsoft Power Apps technology with a SQL backend in Microsoft Azure. Elements allows organizations the ability to estimate costs for projects based on labor, materials, and other items, as well as allocate resources across the portfolio. For this demonstration, we are using an iPhone, but we could just as easily be using an Android phone or tablet. First, let's open Power Apps on our phone and go to the Elements app, which you can see here on the home screen. It shows the projects that have been entered previously. To get there, you must have roles, resources, and tasks populated in the app. We have added some roles, like Project Manager and Developer, some named resources like Alberto, Dan, and Jessica, and some tasks like Manage Project, Execute, and Test. Once you have populated the app with these items, you can add a new project. We have already added 4 projects that represent technology changes to retail stores. If we open one of the projects, you can see that there are tabs with data pertaining to that particular project, starting with the Overview tab. The Overview tab shows the title of the project, the description, the project manager, start and end dates, as well as the budget. These are all editable fields that you can change at any time. The cost is a calculated field based on the labor, materials, and other costs. We'll get to that later. The program tells you exactly what the variance is, how much is over or under budget currently, as well as the length of time that the project will take based on your start and end dates. The Status tab shows the next step, the stoplight status, as well as notes, which will be useful in generating project reports. The next 3 tabs give you the project cost. All you need to know for now is that they all add up to the calculated field called costs, which you can see on the home page, as well as the Overview tab when looking at a project. To add a new project, press the plus icon on the home page and enter the required fields, which are project title, start, and end date. For this project, let's call it Store for Banner Install. Let's say Jessica's the project manager. We're going to skip the description for now. It's not required. We're going to start on a Monday and always end on a Sunday. I think 3 weeks should be enough. And it's not required, but we'll go ahead and say that the customer's budget is $5,000 and use the check icon to save. We've successfully added Store for Banner Install as a new project, and we can go and edit the information. We can edit the Overview tab. We can change the budget or the end date. We could also add a status, like Analyze Budget, and add costs. We're going to change this to yellow because we don't know right now how much the cost is going to be, and we might be over budget. The costs can be labor costs, material costs, or other. We'll get to those in a future video. Altogether, that gives you the cost. So right now we're under budget because we haven't entered any costs. But now that this is here, we can see reports. Under reports, we can see several options. The project overview report shows the details of a particular project, and the cost detail report shows all the costs that go into a chosen project. What's really cool is the availability report, which allows you to see where your people have time left for new work or if they are overbooked during a particular week. We'll check that out in a future video. That's it for now. Stay tuned for the next video where we will take a deeper dive into adding work assignments and other costs to the project. Let us know if you have questions by posting a comment, and we will address it in a future video. And be sure to check out www.clevermobileapps.com. Bye for now.